Hi guys, this is Swapnimar here, and inside this video I will show you the method launch jacking. And basically if you are promoting the JVZoo or Warrior Plus products via free traffics, you are doing launch jacking. Already you are doing launch jacking, something like that. You are not exactly promoting, or like you are partially promoting the products, but it is a totally launch jacking method. And this is if you are a beginner, this will be a very helpful method. And I am doing launch jacking for past 6 months, and this is a very effective and evergreen method. So let me start with, you can see this is my website quickpreview.in, and inside this website if I click on any post, any blog post which I publish every day, like each and every day I published a post about any exact software. And if you go through the pages or posts inside this website, there will be so many stuffs given. For a page is totally dedicated for a software, and so many stuffs given inside this, like what is the pricing, what are the stuffs, guarantee period and launch period, something like that. So why I am doing this, a review video, this is from my YouTube channel. If I click on to show you my YouTube channel, this is my YouTube channel. I also publish on a daily basis a video also about totally dedicated about that exact product, okay, which I am launch jacking or promoting. Okay, so what I am doing basically, so every stuff is given inside it, and also there will be some buttons inside that page, and so many people are doing already this. There will be some buttons inside that exact page, and that will redirect you to the exact promote. So basically what they are doing or what I am doing. Now the question is what I am doing or they are doing. So if you visit the manchai.com, there will be so many products given on a daily basis. Okay, there will be so many products are launching for any exact date, like in 6 February there will be 3 products. Okay, so it is already 6 February in India, and it is already 6 February. If we see the 7th February, for 7th February there are 4-5 products. Okay, so on a daily basis there are so many products are launching. So what you have to do, that people or top marketers have really huge lists of email IDs, okay, and also as well as they try to run advertisement for the exact product. Basically the launcher or the vendors are giving their product in the Manchai place via promoting, via giving their product to, for checkout they use the platforms like Warrior Plus or JVZoo, something like that, and for announcement they use Manchai. So inside Manchai the products will be shown up here, and every affiliates who already has their big email list and also want to run ads like solo ads or Facebook ads. There are so many advertisement inside internet marketing. Let me put here Udemy here. Okay, if I try to show you the solo ad platform, this is the world's, sorry, let me click the normal link, like not the advertisement link. Okay, so maybe it will show the proper website. I don't want to like the advertisement link. Click the advertisement link. So this is a solo. I have not gone through the solo ads or purchased, but I will purchase, then I will make the videos once I have experienced with solo ads. And there will be Facebook ads also, and Google ads, Bing ads, and like every other ads like AdWords, Google AdWords, or maybe so many ads, I don't know, native ads maybe. So people are also running those ads for each and every product, like past products also. So if I click on let me show you, if I click on any product from here, from Manchai, it will show me a dedicated page for JVs, for joint ventures. Okay, so let me show you one time again, once again. Okay, so it is showing me the JV page. Once I have clicked on that, it is showing me, it is giving me another page for JVs, for like who are promoting the product for them. Okay, basically once I have clicked to get the link inside Warrior Plus, so it will redirect me to my profile. It is my link, my profile inside Warrior Plus, and there will be also there will be so many products who use the JVZoo platform or Pay Kickstart platform. They like, this is Pay Kickstart, and there are 2 or 3 or maybe 4 or 5 platforms are there, and every affiliates has their own personal link, and they visit, they try to send traffic on their links. If I try to show you from my dashboard, So you can see these hops. Okay, so these hops are coming. I am sending traffic. This is totally free traffic. I have not run yet. I have not run advertisement yet. And once I have started using this, getting this hop, or once I have started getting this hop, there will be higher chance to get the sales. But what is going on here? If I try to show here Orange Builder review. Okay, maybe I spelled it wrong. So if I click, try to show you Orange Builder review, it has launched a few days ago. Maybe it is launching today, 6 February. So you can see here, this is a YouTube video. So already people made the dedicated YouTube video for this software, exact software, and there will be so many pages who are promoting this product. Okay, Orange Builder INC review. Maybe this is not the software, but let me clear myself. Let me put here some more specific, like Orange Builder software review. Okay, if I click on that, it is not showing me the exact term. I don't know why, but also I have promoted the software. If I try to search here the term Orange Builder here, okay, sorry, I also typed I also have done typing mistake for this time. So you can see there also I have created also a page for Orange Builder. So people, those people who are top affiliates, they run their ads to their email IDs, like they have I do so many grammatical mistakes. So they have they have 20,000 plus email list and something like that, and also they try to run ads, like they get the tier 1 click or top countries click, like clicks from UK, USA, and they get more than thousands clicks, or maybe 500, more than 10,000, whatever. Okay, so they try to get the clicks, and some people are very smart. So once they redirect them to the product, once they redirect them to the product, so what people are do, that if they try to show the product, sell the product, the Orange Builder, some people are smart, some people let me show you first. I forgot what to say. Sometimes I have also vocabulary problem. So as you can see, people are trying to see what is the product from inside, and what are the stuffs from inside, and what is the product pricing. If I am purchasing this, I am doing wrong or right, something like that. People have so many queries about the product, and people try to find out the product inside YouTube. Basically, YouTube is a good platform to rank your video and something like that. And also you can write a blog post, that is also evergreen process. And once you have do the video from the given stuffs, okay, so inside JB page there are so many given stuffs for affiliates, and also they run a thing, like they run a JV contest. Inside this JV contest, the JVs, the ventures who will be promoting and will be winning by getting the topmost earning. Okay, so who will give the vendor the most earning, he will be prized with, he or she will be rewarded with $5,000 or $5,000. And this is also a crucial thing. That's why also top affiliates always try to compete with each other. They sell their email, they send their email about this product, their email list about this product, and also they run ads inside this exact page, not this page, but inside the sales page, inside the link given page. So if I try to show you, if I want to click it, open in a new tab, it will show me the sales page of the product. So it is taking a bit time, so it is coming. So they try to send the traffic by purchasing the ads to get the product. So what we are doing, we are creating the stuffs like review or something like that about the product. You have to go through the product before making the review, and you can try to contact the vendor or the promoter or the owner of the product. And if you try to get reach to the owner or the vendor, then maybe there will be a response from them, and maybe they reply with yes, and you can do the review and you can get the product access also. So that is going on, and people, that's why people make the review. So it is launching today, and previously so this guy previously made the video about it, and it has already got 68 views. So maybe there will be a higher chance to get sales from these views. Like, he is also giving the bonus. If I click on the, if I remove my cursor from here, it is showing me the demo plus bonuses. So people are also love to get free bonuses, something like that. And this is the main fundamental thing. This is like hijacking. This is not exact promoting. The promoting is done by the top affiliates. They are sending emails to their email IDs and their lists, okay, and also they are sending they are running the advertisement and sending traffic, so many buyers traffic to the exact page, to the sales page. And what we are doing, or the people like me, they are doing, they are making the review and they are making the blog post or maybe bonus page, and they are just hijacking the top affiliates traffic or something like that. So I think you have just learned a new thing or knowledge. And also there will be a prizes, but basically you can't get the prize via launch jacking, but maybe sometime it also happen. There will be always exceptions, but you have to run ads or shoot emails to your email IDs to get this kind of prize. This is the launch jacking method, and I think I cleared you the method. And if there is any problem or issue, you can reach out to me via commenting below inside my video. And you can see this video has got, I have also made orange builder review. This video has already got 6 views, and my previous video also got 14 views, 4 views, something like that. And these are the stuffs. Basically I want to say that there will be more and higher chance to get traffic and also sales. And from this type of country like India is totally comparing to USA, the currencies, there is a huge margin of difference inside currency. For the currency of $1 in US, the currency is converted to Indian currency, that will be like 70 rupees, so 72 or maybe 69, something like that. So if people got sales, maybe 1 or 2, then that sales can make his or her day for inside India, or maybe for other countries also, inside Asian countries maybe. So something like that. You can use the launch jacking method to do this, to promote the product. And this is an evergreen method, because people are very smart. Some people are very smart. They would always prefer to check out the product, to get the inside view of the product, and if it is good for them, it seems too good for them, then they will purchase the product. Basically this is the fundamental thing. And also the promoters, sorry, the affiliates, top affiliates doesn't bother about the top affiliate doesn't bother about the bonuses or something like that, okay. So they don't incentivize, they don't focus on incentivize the purchaser or the buyers, okay. So that is why there will be higher chance. If you try to incentivize them, the people, with your bonuses, then you can get the sales, and also you will be earning money passively and something like that. You can do each and every day on a daily basis by visiting this product's owner and get the review copy and make review videos and blogs, and you can hijack the targeted, super targeted audience. Like the running ads or email IDs is super targeted buyers potential. They have the buyers potential, and I think I have explained so much, and I am now talking more and more and making the video lengthy. So I'm signing out for the video. I'm wrapping up the video. So bye bye.